We are looking at how to pronounce this word in English. How do you go about pronouncing this strange-looking word? Ephphatha. Ephphatha. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, consider a double F instead of the PH in the middle. Ephphatha. Ephphatha. You do want to stress on the middle syllable, the middle fa. Ephphatha. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, including many biblical names. I'll see you there to learn more.